sort of done half the road.
Patched it up, yeah.
It's made it uneven.
Spaceships in there. It's probably the way we're going, I don't know.
Well, down that way.
Yeah, but we're just going to this town and have a look. Turkey.
Oh,
Population 317.
wow. Wonder how often they update that.
You think this looks like there's more than 317 live here? God. I mean, there's only 317. I guess everybody does know. Everybody.
I should imagine so. Nice, actually. It'd be nice they all did.
Yeah, one big family.
Well,
Really,
they're neighbours, you know, neighbours. End of work soon.
Bob Wilson's museum. Oh yeah, Bob Wilson is a honky tonk singer.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Never heard of him. Right.
It's only on last Saturday of April each year. What is? There.
Yeah. Bob Wilson Day. That's a review.
Caprock Canyon State Park.
Hall County burn ban in effect. Hall.
Is that a fire station?
Probably was. Can't see anything coming down the road there, babe.
Which one?
That way. I don't think there's anything coming, but.
No, nothing coming.
Yeah, here we go. 86 West. It's here. Turkey.
Yeah.
Ha!
It is Bob Wilson.
Yeah, Bob Wills.
Oh,
that one.
Wills. Oh, right.
Same one. Is that the same one? No.
I don't know.
Nice. They got the street lamps.
Nice.
Wow. Oh yeah, the Bob Wills Museum, Texas Record Store.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna put in here. Look at this bus.
Wow. Wow.
That's all this then.
Thing here as well, that. Nice. Lone Star Beer, the national beer of Texas.
Do I have a look or not?
Oh, you want to take a photo, don't you?
I do. I'll just go like that a bit.
I'm going to say, be careful party by the bin, because the bin
All the old
runs round.
vehicles there. All the old vehicles.
Oh.
So I'll get a shot here of this turkey sign. Probably in somebody's grass, but anyway, there we go. So I'm going to go back down there.
You want a picture of that bus, don't you?
I do.
Okay. Needles all around. There's an unadopted road up to houses up there. Watch out, there's a hole here where you're parking. Okay, that place is locked, so you're alright.
Hey?
This place where you parked is all locked, so you're alright. On this road, yeah.
Right. This is like a little Route 66 place. I don't think we're on Route 66. It might be old Route 66. I don't know. Bob Wills and the Texas Playboys. It must have been his tour bus.
Yeah.
Proper little town, this, and it's nice. Turkey.
Yeah. Oh, that's somebody's house. Very nice.
Turkey.
Right places like this.
Little tractor.
Automotive and hardware. Wow, that tractor. Look at this, all these proper railings for steps and things. Yet these are all shut. They're not open. Hotel Turkey.
There's old trucks up there.
Oh my lord. So they don't do much trade here. Mural on the wall over there, that's nice. Fiddling
time.
Oh, fiddling. I thought it was piddling. Oh, the theatre, still got the theatre.
Ham's Barber Shop. Winery.
And the winery, which is open. They haven't got much. Oh, Turkey and Trucks, whatever that is.
Music,
It looks like it's a closed day today.
Now let's take a picture of that turkey. Is that a fire engine? There's their fire truck.
Wow. Oh, look at that turkey. Yes, yes. And what are we up to here? This is the Turkey Emergency Service Building.
There's a fire truck.
Yeah. It's amazing. The volunteers run all that. But a lot of the fire services now are volunteers.
So there's he's got his fiddle on top.
Oh yes. Right, I couldn't see that properly. But then all that's closed up.
That building,
oh, look at that building.
Weird,
What is that?
It's like a kiln.
We're working far by the looks of it.
Definitely.
Then the house has gone to wrap and ruin.
Hey, look there, John Deere tractors.
Yeah.
There's loads of them. So, speed limit here is 70. We get a shot at that. Oh, actually 75. People wouldn't believe it, would they? So they think, oh, it's all slower in America. There's little back roads. Miles.
Miles.
Yeah, 75 on a normal back road. Where in the UK that would be 60.